I get anxious with like, oh, like, am I saying this the right way? Like, is this going to get taken out of context? Is this going to result in problems? Is this going to be like an issue, or like, oh shit, did I like say too much about something or whatever, you know? But like, again, like I go in usually with the mindset the like worst possible thing is going to happen. So it's like ideally, right, nothing ever gets clipped out of context and nothing is ever turned into fodder to use against me or anybody else, right? But it's also like stressing about it happening is just such a... I'd rather be able to say what I want to say and do what I want to do. Like, the people who think I'm racist or whatever they're just going to think that anyways, right? Like, it doesn't matter if another clip is added to the pile, because it's like, their mind is already made up. Like, what are they gonna do? Get angry again? About what? About fucking what? Like, you've said everything that you can say, that you want to say. I don't know, like, people are gonna say and do whatever they're gonna fucking say and do, you know? I feel like I've already, like, reached those limits. So now it's just, like, obviously, like, talking about other countries, like, that does, like, raise my anxiety more. Obviously, there are fucking touchy subjects. I'm not trying to, like, deftly maneuver these topics because, like, I'm scared of that just happening to me, right? It's also like okay, like, I want to, in general, like, not create more problems for FaZe Connect. Like, if these are, like, issues for these people, you know, it's like, okay, well, I don't, like, want to actually make people mad or upset. It's just like, I don't know, man. I say I don't know, man, too much.